Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play toilet tower defense for Roblox on the PS4 and PS5 versions of the game. So let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the search bar on the top right, and then make sure underneath experiences and not people, and just go ahead and just type in toilet. I'm just going to type in toilet, it should pop up. Toilet tower defense, yeah, there we go. Go ahead and click X. Now once you're in the game, in order to actually get out of this update log, you have to press on tab. Okay, wait, let's see. Okay, well I guess it's not tab, usually it is. Let me see. Yeah, it's kind of glitched right now. It's not letting me leave the update log. I'm not sure why. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I got it. It was tab. It was just a bit tricky. But yeah, anyways, you have to click on tab, and then you have to navigate your way up to the X, and then you can get rid of the update, whatever that was. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.